Welcome back to News 15 today. Joining us now is friend of the show, Chris Babin with the Better Business Bureau of Acadiana. Good morning, Chris. We're talking scams once again this morning, and we're talking about tax scams, correct?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Carter. You know, with tax season upon us, I think the date's February 12th now where people can start filing taxes. And what we want people to be aware of is scammers do have ways through identity theft to file your tax return before you and potentially collect your refund and everything before you would even have a chance to file your taxes.
Well, how would they have that information to be able to successfully do that?
So that's a good question. A lot of what we talk about through the year, the different phishing scams and stuff that lead to identity theft, if your identity and your social security number and just your name and address is a little bit of information a scammer would need, if that's fallen into a scammer's hands at any point over this past year, you could be susceptible to some type of tax filing scam.
Now, what are some tried and true tips and methods to kind of prevent scammers from taking that information, that valuable information?
Yeah, so one of the biggest things is file your taxes early. If you get a notice from the IRS, what would happen is the scammer files their taxes before you would get a notice from the IRS that it's a duplicate tax return filed. Contact them immediately to work on ironing it out. And go to IRS.gov if you feel like for some reason maybe your identity had compromised at some. Go to IRS.gov. You can sign up for what's called an identity protection PIN. They call it an IP PIN, and it's a unique 6-digit number that they give you that you have to have in order to file your taxes. So if you go get that number from the IRS directly, the scammer wouldn't have an opportunity to file your taxes before you.
Okay. Is there anything else that you wanted to add when involving tax season and scams this year, Chris?
No, that's one of the biggest things going on right now is the scammer trying to collect your refund. So just be aware if you think your social security number has been compromised, contact one of the 3 major credit bureaus. You can put an alert on your social security number. That way they'll notify you of anything that's taken place or any changes on your credit. So just make sure you're aware of it.
All righty, Chris. Well, thanks for joining us as always. And hey, enjoy the Super Bowl on Sunday.
Sounds great. Thank you. Same to you.
All right, Chris. We'll talk to you next week. Well,